Thanks for joining us in this series of videos around our 10-step design guide to home improvement works. In this short video, we'll be discussing point 4, which is concept design. Once we've understood your brief and your budget, our talented team of architects and designers will start creating design concepts for your home. Here is a chance for us to show off our experience and creativity and deliver you up to 3 design concepts with Preston imagery that you'll love. Here are some examples. We'll do all of this within a fixed fee, so you won't have to worry about going overboard and managing your budget. As architects and designers, we'd really recommend going for 3D imagery at this stage. At Aura Architecture, we use our virtual reality design technology to bring your dreams to life right in front of your laptop. It's a great way to visualize your new home even before a spade's hit the ground. This will also reduce the risk of costly changes down the line. Remember, we're here to help you, so download our 10-step design guide now, or contact us if you'd like to get started on your project. Stay tuned for our next video in this series, which is Planning Permission Explained.